Isn't it a lot of fun to watch videos? The true question is if you're willing to put money into your accounts just by doing so. The best part is that you can use this approach with your mobile phone. It works all around the world and it's completely free. Today I'm going to show you the website that you need to visit in order to put $20 in your pocket. So pay close attention as I educate you on this strategy because I'll offer you bonus hints in the middle. So make sure you don't miss out. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To find out how to enter, stick around until the end of the video. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So, to begin, I'd like you to go to this website, gptplanet.com. This is a service where you may make money online by doing easy chores while watching videos. This is their proof of payment to prove that this one is legitimate. All of the dates and times that users are cashing out their money on this website are listed here. Take a look at the following. This is the total amount of money that people earn by just viewing videos and performing simple activities. They are very transparent, as you can see, and they show you true proof of payment. As a result, once you start earning money, you'll be able to check how much money you made by watching videos. Now, let's go on. When you arrive at this website's homepage, I want you to click on this orange icon right here to register for a free account. And that will bring you to this page. You may register for an account here. And all you have to do is fill out the required information. Simply type your full name, username, password, date of birth, and email address into this box. You'll notice the payment accounts where you wish to receive your money as you scroll down. So pick whichever one you prefer on any of these. As you can see, they accept Payeer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dosh, and Faucet Play as payment methods. The image verification is the final stage, which can be found here. All you have to do now is type whatever you see on this image. After that, simply check the box indicating that you have read and agreed to the website's condition. Finally, simply click on the blue register button and you're done. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. To go back a step, after you've created your GPT account, you'll need to log in. You may locate numerous companies where you can watch videos to make money online by clicking on View Ads right here. Here are some instances of companies that will compensate you. These are all the businesses that will pay you to view videos, and you may make a lot of money doing so. So make sure you stay attentive and keep an eye on the screen to learn everything there is to know. I'm going to give you the first bonus tip right now. I'd like you to concentrate solely on Scarlet Clicks. This is Scarlet Clicks, as you can see, and it will pay you the most money for watching a 30-second video. So go ahead and click on any of these boxes here, and you'll be sent to another page where you can see an exclusive video. Every time you click on one of those boxes, you'll be taken to a new video, much like this one. When you go to the movie they show you, all you have to do is go in and view it for at least 30 seconds. And that's all. And they'll begin depositing funds in your account. Now, once you've completed watching the video, simply go back to the previous tab and click on the next box to watch the second video that they show you. And then watch another 30 seconds of that video. So, in order to earn money, I want you to perform the process over and over again. Use this second bonus tip to get the best results with the least of work. You may simply open all of those boxes at once. If you open 10 boxes at once, you will earn 10 times as much as if you only open one box of a video. You can do it on your own phone, PC, laptop, tablet, or any other device. Now scrolling down, it says that clicks are reset every day at midnight server time. So they reset all the boxes every day after midnight. Then they'll have new and fresh movies for you to watch, which means you'll have an endless supply of opportunities to make money. There are 560 boxes in total in each photo of the grid, implying that you can view 560 videos in a day. In this regard, we'll calculate and estimate how much money you can make by merely clicking on these boxes and watching the movies. As you can see on the right, you can earn an average 50 cents every video. If we multiply 50 by 560, we get 280, which means that if you watch all of the other videos, this website will pay you $280. Moving on, I'll now give you the video's final bonus tip. For example, if you finish watching YouTube videos, you can go to this page of the website, which is the offer wall. You can see that each time you click on one of those, you will be shown advertisements that you can see and earn extra free money. As you can see, you can make money using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now, when you scroll down, some of them appear to be extremely small. But if you're lucky, some of them may even pay $2, which isn't bad at all. Remember, all you're doing here is receiving extra free money by simply watching ads. As a result, the more advertisement you view, the more money you collect. Keep in mind that once you watch all of the videos on Scarlet Clicks, you can go into other companies and view more videos. So that's exactly how all of these people from all around the world are currently making a lot of money online. You can be the next person to make quick money online by just clicking on videos and watching them for 30 seconds. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift cards giveaways. You just need to make sure you've subscribed and are actively leaving a like and a comment on every video so that I can give rewards to those who I monitor that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.